Manufacturing is evolving. Rising costs, supply chain volatility, increasing customer expectations. In today's competitive world, intelligence is the real advantage.
Imagine starting your day at the factory. Customer orders are coming in from multiple clients. Schedules keep changing. Raw material prices are fluctuating. Production targets are tight, and financial clarity comes only at the end of the year. Sound familiar? This is why we built the AI Competency Centre by Algo Analytics, a bridge between manufacturing and artificial intelligence. Let's walk through your manufacturing journey. It begins with order management, multiple customer schedules, frequent revisions, manual consolidation. Our AI automatically combines schedules, tracks every change, and highlights priorities, helping your team deliver on time, every time. Next comes procurement and raw material planning. Steel prices move unpredictably. Buying at the wrong time impacts margins. Our AI predicts steel price trends for the next 15 days, enabling smarter purchasing decisions and cost savings. Then production planning begins. Are you maximizing material usage or generating unnecessary scrap? Our AI-powered shearing optimizer creates the most efficient cutting layouts, reducing waste and increasing profitability. On the shop floor, safety is critical. With Aksha, our AI surveillance solution, you get real-time helmet detection, fire alerts, gate monitoring, and unauthorized access detection, ensuring compliance and reducing risk instantly. In quality assurance, manual inspection can be slow and inconsistent. A-Quality uses AI vision to instantly classify parts as okay or not okay, delivering faster inspections and consistent quality standards. When it comes to operational intelligence, reporting shouldn't take hours. With Insight Edge, simply upload your data, ask a question, and receive actionable insights within minutes. Your teams also rely on machine manuals and technical documents. With IDA, our industrial document assistant, they can ask questions in natural language and receive accurate answers instantly. In financial performance management, we analyze plant-wise profit and loss by breaking down revenue, material cost, labor cost, and key profitability ratios. This helps benchmark plant performance and identify margin improvement opportunities. Our AI tools analyze rate amendments, compare theoretical versus actual material consumption, and detect duplicate invoices, preventing margin loss and financial leakage. This is the power of the AI Competency Centre by Algo Analytics. From order to finance, from shop floor to strategy, from data to decisions. Transform your manufacturing with AI. Drive smarter decisions. Achieve operational excellence. We are partnering with mid-sized and large manufacturing companies for AI transformation. To know more, contact us.